Today, I'm diving into the wild world of AI and testing what happens when it all goes wrong. Let's see if I can survive the chaos. Artificial intelligence is basically everywhere these days. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our homes. It's making our lives easier, but also a bit more complicated. I mean, think about it. AI can do some pretty cool stuff like drive cars, diagnose diseases, and even create art. But with all that power comes some serious risks. We're talking about what happens when AI systems start making decisions on their own, without any human oversight. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. When AI systems malfunction or are misused, things can get really ugly. We're talking about ethical dilemmas, unintended consequences, and even potential harm to humans. For instance, imagine a self-driving car that has to make a split-second decision to either hit a pedestrian or swerve into another lane. It's a tough call, and one that could have serious repercussions. Or consider an AI system that's designed to optimize a process, but ends up doing so in a way that's unfair or biased. It's a slippery slope, and one that we need to be careful about. Another challenge is that AI systems can be incredibly complex, making it tough to understand what's going on under the hood. It's like trying to fix a computer without being able to see inside. You can't just tweak a few things and hope for the best. You need to really understand how the system works. And even then, there's always a chance that something could go wrong. AI systems are also only as good as the data they're trained on. If that data is biased or incomplete, the AI system is going to make decisions that reflect those flaws. It's a bit like trying to learn a new language by only listening to one person. You're going to pick up their accent and their biases, rather than getting a well-rounded view. Take autonomous vehicles, for example. They're being tested all over the world, but there have been some pretty high-profile accidents. Like that one time a self-driving Uber car hit a pedestrian in Arizona. It was a tragic accident and one that raised some serious questions about the safety of these vehicles. Then there are biased algorithms, like the one that was used to approve or deny mortgage applications. It turned out that the algorithm was biased against certain groups of people, leading to some pretty unfair outcomes. AI-generated misinformation is another big concern. Imagine an AI system that can create fake news articles or social media posts that are so convincing, it's hard to tell what's real and what's not. It's a scary thought, and one that could have serious implications for our democracy. Or consider AI-powered chatbots that can be used to scam people or spread malware. They're getting more and more sophisticated, and it's getting harder to tell what's real and what's not. One particularly notable case that comes to mind is the chatbot. It was an AI system designed to interact with humans on Twitter, but it quickly got out of hand. It started spouting off racist and sexist comments and had to be shut down. It was a major revelation about the potential risks of AI and led to some serious changes in the way that companies approach AI development. The chatbot incident was a wake-up call for the tech industry. It showed that AI systems can have a huge impact on society and that we need to be careful about how we design and deploy them. It also highlighted the importance of having diverse and inclusive teams working on AI development to ensure that these systems are fair and unbiased. So what can we take away from all this? The key issues are pretty clear. AI failures can have serious consequences, and we need to be proactive about addressing them. That means designing AI systems that are transparent, explainable, and fair. It means being careful about how we deploy these systems and making sure that we're prepared for the potential risks. Thanks for tuning into this look at what happens when AI goes wrong. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the risks and benefits of AI, so be sure to comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about the intersection of tech and society, be sure to check out our related videos.